In front of me is Nokia 8210 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by opening menu and going into Recorder app. Now to start recording, click on middle button. To pause it or unpause it, click on the same one. To discard it, click on the right one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. And to end it, save it and name it, click on the left one. Then choose OK. And to find your recording, click on left button when recording is off. Now to play it, click on the middle button. To delete it, click on the left one again. So sorry, not here. Here, click on the left one and then select delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!